Welcome to Saaltlab, your audience, your flavor, your growth.
Let's dive in. Whee! Okay, so first thing is first, what we'll do is we are going to create a design right here in the top left corner. So we'll select that. And let's go ahead and have a nice blank canvas of a square. So we'll do 1080 by 1080 pixels. So we'll create new design. All right, look at this beautiful blank canvas. All right, so the first thing we'll do here is go to uploads, and I'm going to go ahead and select this picture here. It's got some detail in the background, so we'll see how that turns out. All right, so we select the picture, so make sure the picture is selected, and then you're going to go to apps. So apps, and then what we'll do is we'll type in Cartoonify. All right, so select that. And here we are, that beautiful line, Cartoonify, and then we'll select Cartoonify and replace. And we'll just wait a few seconds.
Hey, if you run one or multiple businesses like me, they ain't got time for all this.
We don't have time for that.
Right? I get it. You'd rather have someone else do the work. So go to our website at saaltlab.com and select an unlimited plan that fits all of your business's design needs in Canva, plus more. You can pause or cancel anytime. The link is in the description below. So use code SALTY24 to get $100 off your first month. Also sign up for our newsletter for more practical tips on how to make more money in your business with good design and powerful tools. The link is below. Okay, cool. Let's jump back in.
So it looks good. I look good. So we are Cartoonified now. And this is what I look like with the Cartoonify. So let's try another way. So the other way I was telling you guys about. So we will go to apps and we're going to do Animefy. So Animefy, anime, and then Fi. All right. And then select that. Actually, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to uploads and put in the original picture again. So come on up. All right, get rid of that. So select that. Then again, go to apps, type in Animefy. This will pop up here, Animefy. All right, and then we will Animefy and replace. And we'll wait on this. See what it gives us. I know it's gonna make me beautiful. I already know. Oh,
What's the matter? What happened?
that is the Animefy version there. So out of the two, obviously I recommend the Cartoonify. The Animefy looks like it's turning the image into something a little different. So
Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Until next time, God bless and go out and create something great.